To My Mother by Edgar Allan Poe, 1809 to 1849. Because I feel that in the heavens above the angels whispering to one another can find among their burning terms of love none so devotional as that of mother. Therefore, by that dear name I long have called you, you who are more than mother unto me, and fill my heart of hearts where death installed you, in setting my Virginia's spirit free. My mother, my own mother who died early, was but the mother of myself, but you, a mother to the one I loved so dearly, and thus are dearer than the mother I knew, by that infinity with which my wife was dearer to my soul than its soul life. So, a poem by Edgar Allan Poe. Let's see. Poe was born in Boston. When Poe was 1 year old, his father deserted his mother, and several months later his mother died of tuberculosis. So he was orphaned at the age of 1, and then he was taken into the Allan family. So notice he was actually born as Edgar Poe, but he was then adopted by the Allan family, who gave him the name Edgar Allan Poe. So it's Edgar Allan Poe. Allan is part of the surname. A small part of his childhood he actually spent at school in Scotland, went from the age of sort of 6 to 10. Anyway, he joined the army when he was 18, and he married his cousin. His cousin was called Virginia Clem. Now, Virginia was 13 years old when they were married, and Poe was 26 years old. And this poem is about the term mother, and about the fact that he considers Virginia's mother as his own mother, because his own mother, he remembers nothing of her. She gave birth to him, yes, but she didn't bring him up. And I think that Virginia's mother has spent a lot more time actually bringing him up. So, because I feel that in the heavens above the angels whispering to one another can find among their burning terms of love none so devotional as that of mother. So when the angels are talking to each other in heaven, the most loving word, the most burning word of love that they can use is mother. And mother is the definition of the word love, and that's what he's saying, that even for angels the maximum word of love, the maximum meaning of the word love is mother. Therefore, by that dear name I long have called you, you who are more than mother unto me. So that's why I call you mother. He's talking about Virginia's mother, and he's saying that's why I call you mother, because you are more than a mother to me. You loved me. You loved me when I was small, and you brought Virginia into the world, and fill my heart of hearts where death installed you, in setting my Virginia's spirit free. So you have been installed in my heart as mother, because my mother died, and because you are the mother of Virginia, of my wife. You have set her soul free. You gave birth to Virginia. You gave her life. My mother, my own mother, who died early, was but the mother of myself. So the mother who gave birth to me, this was just my genetic mother. She gave birth to me. But you are mother to the one I loved so dearly, and thus are dearer than the mother I knew. So you are the mother of the person I love, so dearly. And for this reason you are dearer than my own mother. I love you more than my mother, more than the mother who gave birth to me. By that infinity with which my wife was dearer to my soul than its soul life. So you are the person who gave birth to Virginia, and Virginia, my wife, is dearer to me than my soul. I love her. I love your daughter more than the life of my soul, and therefore you are my mother, because you gave birth to Virginia. You're her mother. So really, this poem is about motherhood. It's about love, and what really defines love. So, To My Mother by Edgar Allan Poe.